So a collision painter who's good will slick out the BMW, and then they'll peel up the Wrangler a little bit so that the peel matches and you can't tell that the vehicle's been painted. Let's say it's got 2 or 3 pieces of dirt. They'll come in with a little block or a fez tool or whatever, remove those couple pieces of dirt, spot polish it, and they're done. But in the world of high-end restoration and high-end customizing, it is different. What are we doing? We're typically putting down 4 big coats of clear, 4 to 6 mils of clear. I'm getting 1 to 1.5 mils per coat.